In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay videos on Squarespace. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Whether you are looking to make your website more interactive or simply want to feature a captivating video right when visitors land on your page, this tutorial is just for you. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Squarespace website editor. It's the central hub where all the magic happens, allowing you to tweak and customize your site to reflect your vision. Once you're in the editor, look for the option labeled Ad Block. This feature is key as it enables you to insert a variety of elements into your site. Give it a click. Next up, you'll want to select Video from the list of available blocks. This action will open up the video block, allowing you to incorporate your desired video into the web page seamlessly. Now that you have your video block set up, it's time to give it a little personal touch. Click on the Edit button. This is where you fine-tune and configure the details of your video. With your video block primed for editing, it's time to add the video itself. You'll see an option to Add a Video. Feel free to click on this, as this step facilitates the integration of your video file into the block. Whether you're drawing from a personal file or an online source, this is where your video starts taking its place on your site. You'll then want to proceed by clicking Upload File so you can seamlessly integrate your chosen media. Doing this adds a professional touch, engaging visitors right from the start. Now here's a crucial step to ensure your video doesn't startle your audience. You'll want to click on the Mute Video switch. By doing this, you ensure that the video plays automatically, but without sound, which is often preferred in web design to prevent disrupting the user experience. Once your video is appropriately silenced, the next logical move is to activate the autoplay feature. Simply click on the autoplay switch. This action will ensure that anyone visiting your site will see your video start playing instantly, drawing them into your content. Finally, after you've double-checked that everything is set up to your liking, go ahead and click on Save. This will apply all the settings you have just configured, cementing the autoplay function and any further adjustments you've made. Now, you can sit back and admire your platform as it becomes even more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add autoplaying videos on your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you can captivate your audience's attention the moment they visit your page. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.